Alright, the C400, it is in one time for B&H. Shout out to B&H for the win. Let me see, of course, all the BS serial numbers and all that. Pamphlets. We know what we want to see. We want to see what's going on. Oh, the brains of the operation. Let's just get right to it. All right, already come with the handle on. Just start it right where we need to see it at. The beauty. I like that it does come with the arm already. I got the custom box coming in about 2 weeks, so gotta get these measurements out the way. But cool, we can get back to this. Let's put this to the side for now. Of course, I'm assuming all your basics. Okay, we got the handle. The monitor, I'm assuming. Oh no, the bracket for the monitor. Okay. We got here power supply. Okay. Power supply. Of course, the batteries. All right, your Allen keys. We got shotgun mic mount. Ah, here it goes. Monitor. I gotta be real smooth with this. So fresh and so clean, clean. Yes, sir. All right, put that to the side. Of course, you got your charger and your USB-C. What's this back here? More cushion. Cushion. All right, cool. What's in here? All right. Now let's set this up. All right, we got everything out the box. Let's start, I guess, with the handle. This would be to the front. Oh wait, let's get this out of there. And you see this actually goes under into chip. It's in a chip format. This is easily can break, so don't break this. But this makes it for a solid connection. Bam, there you go. Way more robust as far as a connection. I do love that already off the break compared to the C70's handle. This is way more sturdy right here. Love that it has these 3 points locked in. And I'll put that shoe move to the mount. Do like how this already comes pre-built for the cage. Sorry, for the monitor. And put this back out. All right, here we go. And then you will put this screw with your Allen key. You will lock in place right there. All right, that's not going to move. So this is the placement I want to have for now. I love that you could adjust. So essentially, there's 3 different areas you want to adjust. With the Allen key, here you adjust the front for your rod. That's for your left to your right. With this knob here is if I want to loosen to change the angle of the height. And then your third one is, do you want the screen closer or further from you? Depending if you have a shoulder or a handheld setup like that. For right now, I'm just going to choose here. And I do like behind has the locking pin for the USB-C. And we're going to go across the front right here. Put this in this wire hoop. And we're going to come over here to this side. Has another locking pin for USB-C. Oh, it has actually a little case there. All right. There you go. Lock that in. We are good to go. Now it's just adding a lens. And I have the new 24-105. All right, custom cap, by the way. Prestige Film Works, your boy. All right, leaving this out. And we are here, the 24-105 on the C400. My 24-105 got some wear and tear on it. Been putting some work on it in my C70. But let's throw a battery on this bad boy. I'm actually letting the battery charge that it came in. I have a bunch of these batteries. I love it mainly because of the USB-C and the P-tap. So mainly what I use it for. All right, turn it on for the first time.